Good day guys, today I will be guiding you through on how to edit mockups with Picsart like a pro. Open new Picsart application. If you don't have it, go get it from Play Store. Click the plus icon at the center. The link to download this mockup will be dropped at the description below, or download any of your choice mockup on Pinterest. Please smash the subscription button below and turn on the notification button to be the first to see any video I upload. Like the video also. This is the mockup. Import the design you want to place on the mockup. Make sure you remove the background before importing. Let's import our design. Click on the Add Photo button. Let's locate the design in the Picsart folder. Let's resize it so it will fit the mockup perfectly. Let's import the same design again. Let's resize this also. Click on Blend. Select Multiply. Apply the same multiply effect on this also. It's ready to save to our gallery. It's done. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share this video. It's clear now, neat and sound. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for sticking to the end of this video. I really appreciate.